Here we go again. Yes, another video, in our While Black series. Watch, comment, subscribe, like.
For what? What did I do?
You have any ID on you?
No, I don't have to give you
No,
ID,
you do
sir.
have to.
For what, sir? What did I do, sir?
You do.
What did I do, sir?
God,
all
send me
beautiful,
another
sir.
unit.
Please bring your superior here, sir.
I am superior.
No, you're.
I
you're
am
hired.
superior officer. My badge number's 4. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have ID.
I don't have to give you ID,
No,
sir.
you do
I'm
have
just sitting
to.
at lunch.
You
Why
do
are
have
you
to
here?
show your ID.
Why are you here? No, I don't.
Yes, I do. I had a
What crime
call
did
on
I
you.
commit?
What
crime
you
did
know
I
what?
commit?
Get up.
What
and
crime?
Go outside.
I'm
Get
asking.
up and go outside.
I'm asking you what crime
Get
I
up and
committed.
go outside.
Sir, I'm asking you what.
I got called here for you, and I'm asking your identification.
Sir, what
Get up
did you
and go
do?
outside.
What was the call?
Get up and go outside.
Sir, that's not fair. That's not right.
No, it is fair.
That's not right, sir.
It's very fair.
That's not right. It's
and
all
it's
being
very
recorded.
right.
There you go. Racial profiling, man.
Oh yeah,
Finest.
it's racial profiling.
Straight in here.
5104 County.
Look at him. Police.
5104.
Oh, and 22431-272. 22. Or, I'm sorry, 32431-272. Run that, please. Because this guy's saying that I'm racial profiling him.
Definitely.
Oh, yeah. Because I just don't like black people.
Definitely.
Yeah, I don't like black people.
It's like that out here, man.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
sad.
it's like that out here.
It's sad.
Everybody knows me knows that I don't care whether you're white, brown, or tan.
Drunk, sir? Why are you looking like that, bro?
Because I'm tired of your attitude.
I don't have an attitude.
You
I
do
never
have
had
an attitude.
Yes, sir.
Can you just tone your language down?
Okay, that's real. That's real.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. But why am I being outside? Why am I being outside?
Is there anything on him? On him. Did you hear what they just said?
Yeah, I heard.
They just said?
Yeah, I heard.
Because I couldn't hear.
What are you talking? He's over here talking about my tattoos and everything else to get out here, bro. I don't understand.
Oh, I already know who called. Yeah, I already know who called. He was right off the get-go.
What are you talking about? It's all recorded, sir. Everything from when you walked in, it's all recorded. So I hope you
I
got
don't
your
care.
stories. Okay.
5104 County. Is there any wants?
Negative.
Right.
Okay, send everything down, please. Also, a criminal history.
Frankly, these type of police officers need to be booted from police departments. The outright hostility and venom displayed by this Jim Crow relic is unacceptable. These type of officers are empowered by their racism, and because of their white privilege, their bad behavior is often overlooked. If a crime has not been committed, asking for someone's ID harkens of old past laws. Where you had to justify your movements. What brings you here today, boy?